Start by going to our dashboard. Begin setting up Web Scraping API by going to the Authentication Method tab. In the Username Password section, press the little icon and create a password for your user. Then go ahead and click on the API Playground tab. Go ahead and specify your query parameters. Once you're all set, press Send Request. After a few moments, you'll see the returned response that you'll be able to copy or download in JSON. You can also copy the request code. To do that, press Copy and enter the username and password from the Authentication Methods section. And with that, you're all set. Now you can start using the Web Scraping API for your scraping projects. Let's see how you would use it in your code. So, let's see how you can scrape a simple target with our Web Scraping API. For this example, we'll be using Python. If you don't have it yet, go to python.org and download the program. Open the document with a text editor of your choice. Import requests library and pprint. Your target when using Web Scraping API should always be set to universal. Now specify the URL you'll be targeting. The parse parameter is not applicable for Web Scraping API, as all results will be returned in HTML. Time to send the request, which will contain the supplied parameters. Note that an open connection is required for you to receive the results. In this next line, we'll specify the API link we'll be sending our parameters to. Now specify your Web Scraping API credentials. Finally, print the result. You'll find a link to the full code and more code examples in the video description.